Good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure to meet all of you all here today. Well, this is McCain's new platform that we have, Tomorrow's Mother, Tomorrow's Kitchen. I think it's something that I truly identify with because being a multitasking woman today, a mother who juggles, work and a home, it's very important for us to find easy and quick solutions for our children, for our families. I think on every mom's mind, be it her age or even if she's a housewife, I think it's always, अरे हम क्या बनाए आज या क्या snacks दे बच्चों को. So I think that is always playing on our minds, and I think McCain has the best solution and the easy solution that within minutes you can get something really tasty and really fun for your children and for your family. So that's our initiative, and I think throughout the year we are going to be meeting different mothers across India and discussing this topic, because I think today it really is about multitasking in every way. And like I say, MOM stands for Master of Multitasking. So here we are with McCain giving easy solutions and tasty solutions to the modern mother. Thank you.
Thank you, Karishma. We are very happy to have Karishma on board, and we are happy to announce TMTK, as we call it, as a platform, and in future you would be hearing a lot from us on this platform, and we'll come back to you, if anything, as and when we have a program on it.
Just to take the brand question forward, as a brand endorser, what do you think will be your involvement? Like, how involved will you be with the marketing and campaigning of the thing?
Well, I think I am quite involved, and I've been associated with McCain now, I think, for nearly 3 years. And it's been a great touch with a very successful association. And it's important, I think, even like when we have an event today, like we said, it's about promoting, healthy eating, innovative eating, and also helping the modern mother today, the modern, working woman, that, she can bring, tasty snacks to, okay, not only children, she may not have children, but she may be working, but for her family, for herself, for her friends. So definitely I am involved.
Besides the TV season stuff, do you have any other, I said besides the TV season stuff, do you have any other involvement? Like, as in, do you guys
No, I
do
think
digital stuff
I
or
am the
something?
brand endorser with a brand, and we help in promoting the brand in the right way possible. And I think it ends over there. Well, I think McCain is a family brand. The most important चीज़ है कि it's an internationally well-known family brand. और आज भी हम लोग यहाँ हैं because it's promoting the modern day woman, the modern day mother, and creating solutions to help them get good, tasty snacks out there for their children and for their families.
अगर कोई गलत ब्रांड होता है या जो आप पसंद नहीं करते हैं
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आई थिंक व्हेनेवर आई एसोसिएट माई सेल्फ विद अ ब्रांड, बहुत ज़रूरी है कि मैं अपने आप को आइडेंटिफाई करूँ वो ब्रांड से. सो इट्स बिन अ लवली एसोसिएशन. 3 साल हो गए McCain के साथ. इट्स बिन अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल एसोसिएशन, एंड आई होप इट कंटिन्यूज दैट वे एंड पीपल कीप ईटिंग McCain. थैंक यू. It has a solution for young mothers, modern mothers, to get something for their children, family to eat very quickly. तो 2-4 मिनट में हम कुछ टेस्टी बना सकते हैं. हम उनको, अगर आप फ्राई नहीं करना चाहते, आप एयर फ्राई कर सकते हो, आप ग्रिल कर सकते हो, आप बेक कर सकते हो. तो बहुत सारा वैरायटी भी है, एंड यू कैन हैव अ हेल्थी ईटिंग ऑप्शन ऑल्सो विद वैरायटी. थैंक यू.